ESTA code passage number 10 start on receipt of the record and explanation of the accused referred to in the proceedings rule, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall inquire into the charge and may examine such or documentary evidence in support of the charge or in defense of the accused, as may be considered necessary, and where any witness is produced by one party, the other party shall be entitled to cross-examine that witness if the accused fails to furnish his explanation within the period specified, the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall proceed with the inquiry, full stop. The inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall hear the case from day to day and no adjournment shall be given, except for reasons to be recorded in writing, full stop. However, every adjournment with reasons therefore, shall be reported forthwith to the authorized officer. Normally, no adjournment shall be for more than a week, full stop. Paragraph where the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, is satisfied that the accused is hampering, hampering, or attempting to hamper the progress of the inquiry, he or it shall administer a warning, and if thereafter he or it is satisfied that the accused is acting in disagreed of the warning, he or it shall record a finding to that effect and proceed to complete the inquiry in such manner as he or it thinks best suited to be substantial justice, if the accused absents himself from the inquiry, on medical ground, he shall be deemed to have hampered or attempt to hamper the progress of the inquiry unless medical leave, applied for by him, is sanctioned on the recommendation of a medical board where, in view of the serious condition of the accused, it may not be possible for him to appear before the medical board. The board shall examine him at his residence, of which complete address must always be given in the leave application and at which he must be available, full stop. Paragraph provided that the authorized officer may, in this discretion, sanction medical leave up to 7 days without the recommendation of the medical board, full stop. The inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, shall complete the inquiry proceedings within a period of 60 days, commencing from the last date of submission of the written defense by the accused and shall within 10 days of the expiry of the said period of 60 days or within such further period as may be allowed by the authorized officer, submit his or its findings and the grounds therefore to the authorized officer, full stop. The authorized officer, on receipt of the report of the inquiry officer or inquiry committee, shall determine whether the charge has been proved, full stop. If it is proposed to impose a minor penalty, he shall, after affording the accused an opportunity of showing cause against the action proposed, pass order accordingly, full stop. If it is proposed to impose a major penalty, he shall, after affording the accused an opportunity to officer is explanation against his recommendations for imposition of major penalty, forward the case to the authority along with the charge sheet, a statement of allegations served on the accused, explanation of the accused, the finding of the inquiry officer or the inquiry committee, as the case may be, and his on recommendations regarding the penalty to be imposed, in case it is proposed to drop the proceedings, the authorized officer shall submit the case with all relevant material document, to the authority for appropriate orders, full stop.